Welcome to Om Academy. In today's video, we are going to install Ubuntu 20.04 in VirtualBox. First, browse to the Ubuntu website www.ubuntu.com. As you can see that there is a download option of this Ubuntu ISO file. We have to download Ubuntu Desktop 20.04 LTS edition, which is the latest edition at present. LTS stands for long term support. It will support the distribution up to 5 years for security and other updates. Click on the link and ISO starts downloading. You can see that it is a huge file of 2.5 GB. It will take time. You can also download this ISO file from this direct link releases.ubuntu.com. Scroll down the page and here you find the ISO file, which is around 2.5 GB. As you can see that the ISO file has been downloaded. To install Ubuntu in a virtual machine, create new virtual machine, type Ubuntu 20.04, opt for Linux type, click next, assign 4 GB memory, click next, opt for default selection, allocate around 25 GB for this virtual machine, create the machine. Now these settings are the default setting. We will alter these settings according to our needs. Click settings, go to system, disable floppy option, assign one more processor, go to display option, assign maximum video memory 128 MB, click storage. Here you can see that the ID controller is empty. You have to select ISO file for this. Click on this, choose disk file, tick the live CD option. In network option, choose bridge adapter. Now the setting has been done. Click OK. Start the machine. Maximize the window. We can scale the window. Now Ubuntu is checking the disk. No errors were found on the disk. Now the Ubuntu show us two options, whether you try Ubuntu without installing it on hard disk or you can directly install Ubuntu on virtual machine. We will opt for install Ubuntu. Select the keyboard layout as English layout. Continue. You have to opt for updates. We will install third-party software for graphics and Wi-Fi hardware. Do not download updates. Uncheck this option as it will take much time during installation. Opt for normal installation. It will install all the basic software for routine tasks. Continue with the installation. We have to choose installation type. Opt for first option, that is erase disk and install Ubuntu. It will erase all programs and data on the disk. Install now. Click continue. Select the location as India. Continue. Type the username, type the host name, type the password. Continue with the installation. As the installation proceeds, you can observe the new features on the screen. It will take some time to finish the installation. We will be back in a minute. As you can see that the installation is complete. Restart the virtual machine. Press enter. The machine is restarting for the first time. The login window appears. Click on the username. Type the password. And the desktop appears for the first time. Skip for online accounts. Skip the live patch. Do not send the system information. Proceed. For the privacy, disable this location service option. Proceed. You are good to go. There are some software updates which we can install later. Open the terminal. You can verify the distribution by typing lsb _ release -a option. As you can see that the latest Ubuntu 20.04 LTS version has been successfully installed. Exit from the terminal. Power off the machine. Now the machine is in offline mode. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.